Welcome to the first tutorial of our Medical Biochemistry Power Capsule series. The purpose of this tutorial, which is basically an introductory lecture, is to familiarize medical students with the subject of medical biochemistry and enable them to develop a broad concept about this important discipline. The human body and its mysteries have fascinated mankind since the dawn of civilization. Man has always strived to understand what the body is like and how it works, why people fall ill and why we are afflicted with diseases, and finally, why people die. Initially, this striving to understand was limited to gaining knowledge about body parts and structure. The science of anatomy was therefore born. Then man wanted to understand how those parts worked, and therefore physiology was born. For a long time, the basic science of the human body remained confined to anatomy and physiology. Whatever medicine and surgery used to be practiced was done on the basis of our knowledge of anatomy and physiology. However, with the expansion of our scientific knowledge and scientific understanding about the laws of the universe, our idea about the body also gradually started to change. Man realized that the workings of the human body was not because of strange mysterious forces or vital energy, but work due to the laws of physics and chemistry. We realized that atoms and molecules, which were at the heart of the structure and function of all non-organic entities, were also the constituents of the human body. Therefore, at the fundamental level, the body is governed by the laws of physics and chemistry because atoms and molecules are governed by those laws. Subatomic particles organize to form atoms. Atoms organize to form molecules. Small molecules organize to form larger molecules. Molecules, large and small, organize together to form macromolecular complexes. Many macromolecular complexes organize together to form macromolecular ensembles. Many such ensembles come together to form small cell organelles. Many organelles come together to form a cell. Cells organize to form tissues. Tissues organize to form organs, and many organs come together to form organ systems. Finally, organ systems organize themselves to form the whole body of an animal or human. From subatomic particles to finally the organism stage, everything becomes possible only because of physical forces, physical interactions, chemical reactions, and chemical interactions. Scientists started identifying numerous chemical processes going on in the living body. These chemical processes make life possible. The very structure of the body and the functions carried out by these structural elements becomes possible because of chemical reactions and interactions between substances. In other words, we human beings are chemical processes, as are all other living entities. This realization that the body is based on chemical reactions and interactions, to exist as a structure and also to function, was a game changer in the world of biology and in the scientific world as a whole. Our ancestors also realized that apart from studying about the structure of the body, anatomy, and function of body parts, physiology, a deeper level of study is required if we are to truly understand the mysteries of the human body. Because the body is a chemical system, where complex chemical processes are taking place continuously, and because these processes are the very fundamental reason for our bodies to exist, to function, survive and then die, the only way to understand this body, with the purpose of carrying out repairs when we fall ill, is to study the chemical processes. A new branch of science therefore developed. This branch of science was based on the paradigm that the body is a chemical system. The chemical story unfolding in this chemical system needs to be understood if we are to understand why and how, in the first place, our bodies come into existence, and then why it works in the way it does. This is the science of biochemistry, the study of life as a chemical system, governed by laws of physics and chemistry, the study of the very basis of our existence. And medical biochemistry is specifically the study of the human biochemical system, with the aim of understanding why and how it works in health and disease. The conclusion, therefore, is that the body acquires its structure because of chemical processes, and its functioning is also because of chemical processes. Obviously, a thorough knowledge of such processes is required to understand the basis of our physical existence, the basis of the inner workings of the body parts, whether big or microscopic, and to understand how the normal chemical processes may sometimes go awry, thereby causing diseases and disorders. Had there been no biochemical processes, there wouldn't have been life. We humans wouldn't have existed at all. Chemistry has made life possible, because after all, we are a bundle of atoms, albeit complex.
Thanks for watching this video. You may watch our next tutorial in this Medical Biochemistry Power Capsule series. What is biochemistry? Tutorial B.